Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a new product from SpeedTek RC, Super Glitch Buster. I talked to him about these. So you plug these into your receiver, straight into your receiver. It's got a receiver plug. I think they're called Fataba plugs, I think is what they call them. And it plugs right into your receiver. This one here stores energy in it, and it's only like I don't know, quarter of an inch by an inch. It's real thin. It's sit right on top of your receiver box inside. But it stores enough juice to give you steering still for like 10 seconds to steer away from a wall if you're on a racetrack. Or out bashing, wherever you're at, it'll help you save that. So this is a cheap way to protect your car. He's also going to do just a glitch buster, which is it doesn't store energy like this one. I think he said it was going to be $10 to $15, somewhere in between there. And it helps. How do you put that? It helps. When you're doing on the racetrack and you put in my laps, it's a counter, the transponder, which counts your laps. That thing draws energy or juice from your car when it's shooting out the signal to the transponder. So you want to protect that so you don't miss a count. So you can go under there and something malfunction and you're in the middle of a race. It's not going to count it, so you're not going to get that lap because it didn't count. So it's going to put you a lap down. That's what it's going to do. So this will help do that. And for the other one, and to save your car from hitting a wall, if your battery disconnects for some reason, I don't know if you see my video where we're out there with the infractions, but we're hitting the berms and it's pretty rough playhouse. We're out there for fun, not for money or anything like that. So, but it's a bumper car out there sometimes, and your battery comes disconnected and whatever. You don't want to go straight deadhead into a wall if you can help it. So this will help protect that. Well worth the $25 in my opinion. Well worth it. But he's going to come out with the $15 ones, $15 ones that just help so you don't miss a lap. But this does the same thing, and it also gives you stored energy to help the steering, which I opened one up to check it out. And he gives you a sticker with every package. But yeah, if you can see that, it's only about a quarter of an inch thick, about an inch wide. So it'll fit in your receiver box. I'm going to pull out I was charging a battery here. Turn that off for us. But I'm going to pull out my infraction that I'm going to put it in. Okay. This is, I got a transponder being ordered through JJ Customs right now. And guys, if you order anything for SpeedTek RC, free shipping from JJ Customs in the United States, lower 48. Out of the lower 48, I believe is like $25. So anywhere in the world, pretty much, he'll ship it for $25, flat rate, I believe it is. I'll make sure I put the amount up here, the correct amount for the shipping for that. But yeah, lower 48's free shipping, guys. So on all this stuff, speed gears, the spools, the 8mm gears he's got, all the cat packs, all that stuff. So his connectors, he's got a ton of stuff that he sells like that. So at JJ Customs. So go on there and look up SpeedTek. He'll have all that stuff under SpeedTek RC. And then yeah, free shipping, guys. So it's well worth it. Well worth it. All right. So I had the box already off on this one because I had to pull the transponder out for the one I borrowed. So this is just supposed to plug into any plug. So I'm going to plug it in. What we got in here? How come we got, okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got the servo shifter in there. That's what that is. Okay. I'm like, what's going on in here? How come there's more wires in there? There should be. So I do have a fan. I put a new fan on. Got so look at that, guys. This thing will fit. This thing fits right in that box. No issues. Okay. Because then the transponder will come out, and I'll screw it on the top of this box, because you don't want the transponder under the box. You want it outside so it can get better signal. And I'm not going to bolt that down yet, or screw it down. There we go. That fits a little better there. Right there. Perfect, guys. That's nice and snug, nice and pretty in there, guys. Fits nice and good. Okay. Let us make sure we have the radio on. This is for my infraction. And I am going to, see what's going on here. Plug in my 6S. And when we're racing, I just run 4S and then a 3S over here that runs my battery. I got a dual fan set up here now. Super glitch buster. Okay, so let's turn the car on. We don't have no wheels, so we can't fly nowhere. Boom, 6S. We got steering, we got throttle. Okay, so hit a wall, you hit a bump, you go off one of the berms in the ramp. Bam, that shuts off. You can hear the fan going still. Battery's unplugged, guys. You see that? I hope you saw that. Yeah, you could see that. Okay. So there. Now it's dead. The fan just shut off too. Okay. So it gave you enough time to do whatever you need to steer out of. I'm not sure if it gives you throttle or not. Let's check that out. Let's see if that works or not. Let's plug this bad boy back in. Okay. Everything on there. Oh yeah. So it'll give you enough to probably brake and to turn at the same time. So, and then that's it. You know, you're not going to have much. Like cat packs give you like 30 seconds of turning. You know, so you get a good full speed and some turning on it. This one just, it'll give you just enough to slow everything down. Plus it also protects, like I said, when you have your counter in here, it'll protect that from, it'll still give it the juice to send out, rather than when you, like when I upgrade this servo, I'm going to eventually, because it's just a stock servo. I want a little faster servo in here for racing. You know, you want that faster reaction time. So it'll draw more juice out of that too. So this is going to protect all that. Okay, so that's what these are for, guys. These 25 bucks, man, well worth it. Well worth it. Okay. So like I said, he's going to have the cheaper ones. It's just not going to store any energy in it, though. It'll still protect everything. It's just not going to store the energy. And I think this is awesome right here, that it stores the energy. Right? I mean, how can you not do that? So, perfect for racing. Perfect for racing. That's cool. So, all right, guys, keep this video short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and like I said, free shipping for the lower 48 at JJ Customs for SpeedTek RC product. Yeah, and then I'll put the, like I said, I'll put the pricing for out of state. It's on my phone, and I'm recording with my phone of what he told me it was. But I think it was like $25 or something like that for anywhere in the world. So, right? Because yeah, he ships anywhere. So if you want it and you can't find it anywhere else, it's too hard to get anywhere else, he'll ship it out to you. It's just gonna cost you the price of shipping, you know what I mean? That's how it is. Sorry guys, but that's how it is, you know. Especially shipping is bad nowadays. So there you go, guys. Like I said, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a good day.